Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your WordPress website for easy customer communication. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to be able to use a lot of the features in WordPress.com website, you're gonna have to pay for a paid subscription that costs $40. Now, uh, now a lot of the features that are available for only the premium members are creating a WooCommerce website, installing and upgrading plugins, and you might need this. You're gonna need this subscription for this tutorial. Now, I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you're gonna be able to add a WhatsApp button successfully to your WordPress website. Now let's start by following these few steps together. The first step is to install a plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com and entering your account's credentials and logging in. After logging in, go to the left sidebar here and search for plugins. Right here, it's right next to the plug icon. From here, search for, you can add new or search for click to chat. It's a plugin right here, and click on the loop to search for it and select it. It's this one right here. Now, as I said before, in order to upgrade and activate plugins, you're gonna have to upgrade your WordPress plan. This means you're gonna pay for the subscription. Now, after installing and activating it, configure the plugin. And to do that, go to the plugin settings and enter your WhatsApp phone number and set a default message for users. After that, choose the button's position on your site and add the button depending on the plugin. You can add the WhatsApp button as a widget, a shortcut, a shortcode, or directly in the theme customizer. Now for the fourth and final step, test the button. To test it, open your website and click the button to ensure it works. It should open a chat window on WhatsApp. Now for additional tips, keep the button visible on key pages like the home page and contacts page, and use a plugin that supports customization to match your site's design. And that's it. That's how you add a WhatsApp button on WordPress websites. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.